Very excited to play with my friends in this festival in Jerusalem, in the old city. It is a very special place and it's a very special occasion for us. We hope to bring with our music joy to everybody who comes and listens to us. And we hope to make people have fun and dance.
We are really enjoying this night here, and people have been dancing. It's been great. It's like the best outdoor stage in the street that you can have. In the old city, it's lovely.
It's special to be here in the old city and play here. This place is very powerful. We play our own compositional mainly. It's influenced by gypsy music from all over Europe and the Middle East.
I love this place. Every time I get to visit around this area, I'm astonished from the atmosphere and the vibes in the air. It's always a unique pleasure to play here and feel all the different times and energies that are combined in this place.